We're at CES 2025, or more specifically, we're at a climbing gym near CES 2025 to check out this, the new Garmin Instinct 3, which just got announced at the start of the show, and at a glance kind of looks like the Garmin Instincts that came before it. But this year there are a couple different things to look for, and there's actually a couple different models with significant differences to choose from. Up first, you've got the classic Garmin Instinct 3, which is the model I have on my wrist, and it's the one that looks most similar to the Garmin Instinct 2 and the 2X that came before it. It still has a black and white display and a solar charging ring around the edges, which means that technically, if you use it correctly, you'll never need a charger because it should pick up just enough sunlight to keep the battery ticking along. This year, however, all models of the Instinct 3 series come with a built-in flashlight, whereas previously it was a feature only for the Instinct 2X model. Now, the other model that's new to the Garmin Instinct 3 series is a version of the watch that packs an AMOLED display. Unfortunately, it comes at the cost of the solar charging ring, so you're looking at 24 days of battery life rather than possibly unlimited, but you trade the black and white display for a slightly more interactive and easier to read color display, especially if you're using it in bright sunlight. And it's a lot more like the display on the Garmin Fenix 8 that I've been using over the past couple months. So personally, I'm pretty excited to have an Instinct that's a little bit more vibrant, even if I do have to carry a charger, maybe once a month. An important thing to note, however, is that none of the Garmin Instinct 3 models have touchscreens, so you'll have to get very comfortable with Garmin's 5-button setup, whether you're navigating through your sleep, your activity options, or just trying to check on the weather for the day. So far, Garmin has only shown off a couple different colorways for the Instinct 3 series, with the solar version coming in a classic black and a little bit of a safety orange, which probably is a good option if you're really trying to put your Instinct 3 through some adventures. But the Instinct 3 AMOLED comes in an also classic black color and a new kind of teal green option that's a little bit brighter and I personally like a little bit better. You'll have to kind of keep an eye on your color options because Garmin tends to vary the color choices whether you go for the smaller 45mm case or the larger 50mm case. If you're ready to get a Garmin Instinct 3 on your wrist, you'll be happy to know that it's just about to become available with pre-order starting on January 10th. If you're interested in the solar charging version, it'll cost either $399 or $449 depending on the size of the case. And if you're interested in the AMOLED display, it'll cost either $449 or $499. Personally, I'm looking forward to the AMOLED version because I'm a sucker for a bright watch display, but if you have reasons that you think you'd rather go for the solar option, let us know down in the comments below.